Let me hear you say V, V, V. Put in the comment section below V, V, V for that V-shaped recovery. What's up, everybody? So we are looking at right now CNBC.com, and we're going to take a look at the metal prices. But we have great news this morning. As far as I'm concerned, in my opinion, we have great news this morning. The metal prices are down, which I am excited for because I want to buy some more gold. But I don't want to buy gold at these prices. I want gold to drop a lot further from where it is now. But we're going to take a look at gold prices. But right now we are looking at CNBC, and they are talking about the jobs increases, and the jobs have increased by 2.5 million, and unemployment is down over 13%. So let's take a look at this. It says May sees biggest jobs increase ever of 2.5 million as economy starts to recover from that illness. Now, the highest jobs increase ever in May. Well, there has been a lot of room to add more jobs. I think the unemployment rate was something like 40%, which is crazy. But let's see. It says non-farm payroll rose by 2.5 million in May, and unemployment rate fell to 13.3%. Really cool. Wall Street estimates had been for a decline of 8.3 million and jobless level of 19.5, which would have been the worst since the Great Depression era. Much of the gain came from those classified as temporary layoffs due to the coronavirus-related economic shutdown. Leisure and hospitality represented almost half of the jobless gained. Unemployment stunningly rose by 2.5 million in May, and the jobless rate declined to 13.3%, according to data from Friday from the Labor Department. That was far better than economists had been expecting and indicated that an economic turnaround could be close at hand. Economists surveyed by Dow Jones had been expecting payrolls to drop by 8.333 million and the unemployment rate to rise to 19.5% from April's 14.7%. If Wall Street expectations had been accurate, it would have been the worst figure since the Great Depression, as it turned out. May's numbers showed the U.S. may be well on the road to recovery after its fastest plunge in history. It seemed the damage to the nationwide lockdown was not as severe or lasting as we feared a month ago, said Scott Clemens, chief investment strategist at Brown Brothers Herman. Stock markets futures burst higher following the report and indicated an open of nearly 600 points higher for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Government bond yield raced higher as well, with a benchmark 10-year Treasury post recently at 0.91%. The May gain was by far the biggest one-month job surge in U.S. history since at least 1939. Bearing a second surge of COVID-19, the overall U.S. economy may have turned a corner, as evidenced by the surprise job gains today, even though it still remains to be seen exactly what the new normal looks like, said Tom, head of Global Citizens Bank. The jump in employment almost perfectly mirrored the 2.7 million decrease workers who reported being on temporary layoff in April. The huge increase suggests that the U.S. economy is more resilient than expected, said Chief Strategist at Principal Global Investors. Jobless May jobless rate dropped to 13.3%. Really cool. This is some exciting news, at least in my opinion. I know, some people might just want to see metals go higher. I don't, because I want to buy some more gold, but I don't want to buy gold at $1,700. I really don't want to buy gold at $1,600. I would love to see gold get into 15, 14 would be awesome, $1,400. But who knows if we're going to see those levels this year. Hopefully, we're going to see those levels again next year. Let's take a look at what the metals are. Let's take a look at precious metals. So gold is currently down $32.30 or 1.89%. So it's down to $1,680. So still in that range where I really don't want to buy. Let me know in the comment section below if you are buying gold. Is gold something right now that you're focused on? I would love to pick up some more gold. I just don't want to pick up gold at these current levels. I know Bank of America said that they thought that gold this year was going to get to $3,000 an ounce. I'm not sure if I'm buying that. I think Bank of America probably also expected the recovery to be a little bit slower. I did predict, about 3-4 weeks ago, I thought we were going to have a V-shaped recovery. Who knows if we are? It's probably still too soon to tell if it's for sure going to be a V-shaped recovery. But metals today are dropping. Tomorrow we could have some disappointing news that the metals could increase again. Stock market could plummet again. But who knows? Let's take a look at silver and see what is silver doing. Silver is down almost 3%, down 47 cents, and it is 17.26. Now, if I was going to buy some more silver, I want to see silver into the $15 range. But the premiums are also going to have to come down. If I'm going to buy some more silver eagles or even some generic silver, I don't want to pay any more than $2, $3 at the very most over spot. For generic, it's going to have to be less than $3 over spot. It's going to have to be like $1, maybe $1.50 over spot. But I don't want to really get back into silver until it gets back into the 15. 14 would be awesome if silver got back to $14. But again, them premiums are going to have to come way down than $8 to $10 over spot for me. But let me know what you guys think in that comment section below. But let's take a look and see what the stock market is currently doing. All right, so it looks like the Dow right now is up 762 points, and this is pre-market because the stock market currently is not open yet. This is before the stock market is open, and the S&P 500 looks like is up 64 points for the futures, the future Dow, the future for the S&P 500, and the NASDAQ looks like it is up plus 56 points, and the Russell is up 63. So really cool. So exciting news, definitely. I think it's exciting. Let me know if you think it's exciting. I am definitely rooting for the metals to go down. A nice economic recovery would also be awesome if we had that quick V-shape recovery. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Let's check silver and gold one more time. Silver is now down 50 cents to $17.23. And gold, we are looking at down 30 to 40. So about the same as it was just a few minutes ago. So thanks everybody for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to everybody on my next video. Thanks a lot, everyone.